to my brothers and sisters in Mashiach, to the assemblies of Elohim. Peace and favor from Elohim the Father. Shalom. Today's word is delight and desires. Do you want to be happy? Of course you do. Who doesn't want to be happy? Who doesn't want, well, what they want? We've all heard happiness is based on happenings, but joy is based on a person. That person, of course, being Yahusha. And yes, I'd agree wholeheartedly. However, the scriptures still teach us that we can be both happy and joyous. In Psalms 37:4, it reads, "Delight yourself also in Yahuah, and he shall give you the desires of your heart." It is possible to be happy as a believer, even when the majority of the world is against you. Really, they're against Elohim. But how do we find that happiness? Remember what Yahusha said in John 13:17? "If ye know these things, happy are ye if ye do them." We as believers find our happiness in the Most High when we obey Him. It's simple, and it goes back to that old obedience thing. Here's the kicker though. When I obey Him, I am happy in Him, which results in Him placing His desires for my life within my heart. Then, when I go to Him with those given desires, He grants those requests in favor because, well, they were His desires to begin with. Even more than that, the desire to obey Him comes from the Ruach, the Spirit within us. Philippians 2:13. "For it is Elohim which works in you both to will and to do of His good pleasure." While Psalm 19:11 reads, "Moreover, by them, His commands, is your servant warned, and in guarding of them, His commands, there is great reward." Ultimately, it's like the Most High is saying, hey, the Ruach, Spirit, is going to put within you the desire to obey. Then I'm going to reward you for your obedience. Did you catch that? It's like a cycle of blessings. As they say, blessings on blessings, but born out of obedience. What kind of grace is that? He places within me the desire to obey so He can bless me. We should probably say la on that for a little. So the next time you find yourself lacking happiness, ask yourself, am I delighting myself in the Most High by being obedient? Start there, and you're on your way to finding happiness through Him, granting the desires of your, well, His heart. Until next time, learn, live, share. Shalom.